I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your textured skin. A lot of people have been asking me how I was able to achieve a smooth face, like a very smooth and a glowy face. So I'm going to be spilling the tea on this video. For the records, guys, my face has not always been this smooth. I've also had my own fair share of acne, large pores, uneven skin tone, and all that. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your textured skin. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I included in my skincare routine that were the game changer for me. So if you have enlarged pores, or you have this acne looking appearance on your face that when you press them nothing comes out of it, or you have acne, or all these bumps on your face, then you have a textured skin, and this video is for you. So before we dive into that, please guys, kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're yet to for more skincare tips. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight to the point. The first thing you want to do if you have a textured skin is to invest on good exfoliant. If you have a textured skin, trust me guys, you want to rule out a physical exfoliant because it is not going to do you any good. You want to go for a chemical exfoliant if you have a textured skin, because a physical exfoliant will not do anything, guys. You need something that can go deep into your pores and bring out those deads that are in your pores, that are giving you enlarged pores, or if you have bumps or those acne looking appearance on your face that kind of give your face that rough appearance, you want to go with a chemical exfoliant that can go deep into the skin and bring out all those deads or those trapped hair follicles that are the cause of all those roughness that you have on your face. So when it comes to chemical exfoliants, I will advise you go with all this serum that has BHA, that's the beta-hydroxy acid or the alpha-hydroxy acid, like serums that contains all this glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and lactic acid. And when it comes to a very good chemical exfoliating serum, the serum that I'm going to be recommending for you guys is this Balance Active 10% AHA and 2% BHA. Guys, this particular serum was the game changer for me. This was what really helped me to smoothen my face and also helped me to remove my textured skin. This was one of the products that I added to my skincare routine that was the game changer for me, guys. In case you don't get the Balance Active Retexturizing serum, you can go ahead and get this beauty formula serum. In case you can't get the Balance Active, go ahead and get this beauty formula renewing serum. This is also a very perfect alternative. I was using the Balance Active previously, but then I couldn't get it, so I switched to this. Though this is more affordable compared to the Balance Active. In case you can't get the Balance Active Retexturizing serum, you can go with this particular one, this beauty formula renewing serum. This is what it looks like, and they contain the same ingredient. This one also contains glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and lactic acid. They are going to help to exfoliate your skin and help you get rid of the dead skin cells. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it at the end of this video, so make sure you stick to the end. Another product that was a game changer for me that helped me get rid of my textured skin and helped me smoothen my face is the Tretinoin 0.025 cream, guys. This was also a very big game changer for me, guys. This really helped me to smoothen my face. But you want to be careful with this product, guys. This is not a product that you want to play with, because if you don't know how to use it, it's going to do you dirty, guys. If you don't know how to use Tretinoin, it's going to do you dirty. That's why you have to watch these videos to the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to use the both products, these two products, to achieve a very clear skin. This product is going to help skin renewal. It's going to help you tackle hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, this is going to help you, and it's also going to help to tackle the signs of aging. There are a lot of benefits that this Tretinoin has on your skin. Another ingredient that I was able to incorporate into my skincare routine that helped me with my textured skin, especially if you have enlarged pores, is niacinamide. Coupling a niacinamide serum with these two products is going to help you go a long way, especially for those that have enlarged pores. It's going to help you shrink your pores and also control the production of excessive oil on your skin. And one good thing I love about niacinamide is a product that you can pair it with most of the skincare products. It doesn't select or react negatively. Maybe it reacts to few that I don't even know about. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use these products the right way and it didn't purge my skin or cause any harm to my skin. The method that I used was the skin cycling method. And what do I mean by skin cycling? It means I wasn't using these products every day. I had days that I was using them in my skincare routine, and these products I use them strictly at night. If you have a large pores, it's only your niacinamide serum that you can use it in your morning routine. But these two, please do not use these products during the day. These products will only come in strictly at night during your night routine. So I'm going to be starting with this. I normally use this serum, this AHA and BHA serum, this renewing beauty formula serum. I use it at night and only 2 times in a week. Okay, then the Tretinoin comes into my routine as well at night only, but 3 times in a week. I do not use them same night. Let's assume I use this particular one Mondays and Saturdays. That's when I use this AHA serum, and then my Tretinoin now comes in, let's say Tuesday, Thursdays and Sunday. Then the remaining 2 days, because we have 7 days in a week, right? I use this for 2 days. I use this one 2 days in a week, and then 2 nights. I use this one 2 nights in a week, and then I use this one three nights in a week. Then the remaining 2 nights I allow my skin to rest. So that's the skin cycling method that we're talking about. Do not match them and use them together same night, guys. That is very wrong. So that was what I did that was able to help me. And when you're using these products, guys, please make sure you're using a very good sunscreen. If you don't include sunscreen, then I'm sorry. If you don't include sunscreen to your routine when using these products, you might not see any tangible result, guys, and you want to be very careful. Please, if you're using Tretinoin, start with 0.02. Take note, I didn't start with the 0.1 or 0.5. I started with 0.02. Okay, this one is not too strong, so you're going to start with this one. Then with time you can progress to maybe the 0.1 in future or 0.5, but this is the one I'm using for now, and I use it 3 times in a week. I'm going to be making another video showing you guys the full night routine, also going to be demonstrating practically on how I use them. But for the sake of this video, I just want to be showing you guys these 2 products, including the niacinamide, that I introduced in my skincare routine that helped me to achieve a very smooth skin. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.